Alright, so about the update on the AirPods Pro that I got from Backmarket. First of all, thank you for watching the video. I kind of had to return it back because it had too many problems. First problem being noise cancellation. Whenever I tried switching it to noise cancellation on the phone, it would keep going back to off or transparency mode. It kept telling me I need to have a proper like ear tip, but I kept doing that and it would not work at all. The other problem was transparency mode. It would only work on the right side, not on the left. So it kind of hurt my ear. And third problem was microphone. Whenever I tried calling someone, it would not work, meaning the other person could not hear me at all. And they kept telling me it had some kind of buzz. And the last problem was I got the wrong one. I actually ordered a MagSafe version and they sent me a regular one. I was kind of bummed about it, so I messaged them and they were kind of happy to fix my problem. They also asked me if I wanted an exchange, but I asked them for a refund instead. And yeah, they asked me to return the item and I was provided with my refund, and that was all. Yeah, I don't recommend buying AirPods from Backmarket. Yeah. Bye.